I'm going to be showing you what to do when Safari cannot open a page. If Safari cannot open a page, several troubleshooting steps can be tried. So we're just going to look into it. So the first thing you can do is reloading the page. So if it does not show, then you just need to scroll down like this, and this will help you reload. The other thing is to make sure that you don't have any software updates. Just go to settings. Settings is right at the top. And now scroll down till you find general. Just go ahead and tap there. And now right below about, you can find software update. So if you find a software update here, make sure it's updated. Sometimes that can also cause lags and glitches. You also need to make sure that you don't have any issues with Safari extensions. So also make sure that you have stable internet connection, and if all of this is still not working, then a simple restart may help the case. So in this way, you can successfully fix when Safari cannot open a page. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.